my channel, or welcome back. Today I finished a project and I completed a set of curtains for our kitchen windows, which has been on my to-do list for a long time but hasn't gotten done until today. So I wanted to just take this quick opportunity to, one, share my excitement with you, and two, share this thought with you because I know that things like this, like a custom curtain, are very expensive to pay to have done. And so for this particular project, I know that I saved literally hundreds of dollars that would have been charged to me to sew 3 straight lines across each curtain. Curtains are a wonderful starter project if you are new to sewing and want to DIY something that has big visual impact in your home while also saving yourself a ton of money and getting a custom look. We have a lot of lattice going on in our yard with our fencing, so this lattice pattern was especially beautiful and goes with our green banquette here. I got together with my neighbor. I will say that projects like this where you're using a large run of fabric and the cutting needs to be precise, measured, straight, lots of pinning involved. It was a lot more fun to do it with a neighbor's help, and I actually, even though I set up my sewing station here, she took one look at it and said this isn't gonna work out, and we went over to her house and used her old sewing machine that was a real blast to try and use. So sewing a project like this is more fun with friends. I also just wanted to take you through a few other suggested starter projects that are both money saving and really special. So I have a couple things I wanted to share with you. Don't mind the baby here. All right, so here are just a couple other examples of things that I do sew myself. Here is a set of cloth napkins. They're really fun. They're ballerina pattern napkins. I do these for my own children, but I also will sometimes do a set like these to give as a birthday gift to a school-aged child. In our school, we try to pack a waste-free lunch, and so I don't pack disposable napkins. So napkins are just literally 2 squares sewn together. They're really easy. Here are the cloth bibs. They're kind of worn and very used at this point, but I have a whole wardrobe of bibs that are backed in terry cloth with fun patterns and a snap. And I can list the pattern for these down below this video because this is a fabulous bib pattern and I get so many compliments, and I've made literally dozens and dozens of bibs for neighbors and friends and other babies in our world. And my last suggested and really wonderful starter project are fitted sheets. I originally made fitted sheets for our cradle, which was an obscure mattress size, so I had to make my own. But the beauty of a fitted sheet, and I've made larger crib sheets for our crib, is that whatever your stitching is, it's like making a giant shower cap and your stitches are hidden, much like a valance or curtain like these where it's high up and no one's gonna look at your stitches or be checking to make sure that you did everything precisely. These are really forgiving projects. I'm gonna list the crib sheet or fitted sheet pattern down below, as well as these amazing bibs. But basically, I'm just so excited that I got something done on my to-do list. I saved a bunch of money and it has that custom look that we really value in our family. And I wanted to share that with you because we spend a lot of time here in our kitchen, so it's nice to have it look nice. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'd love to know if you do sewing or have a sewing machine. It's definitely a lost art in my generation, so it's a little weird that I do it, but I love doing these kinds of projects with my mom or a neighbor or a friend. It makes the time go faster, and I often learn something new or learn a new skill, which is what I wanted to share with you today. So I hope you give it a shot. Let me know if you have questions, and thanks again for joining me on my channel. See you soon. Bye.